So busy-busy yung ating Pangulo. Matapos libutin yung mga nasalanta ng mga pagbaha, ito siya mga kababayan. Diretso sa South Korea. Ngayon, bumalik na siya. Ang binisita po, imbis yung mga nasalanta, yung puntod ng pamilya niya. Sablay na naman, mga kababayan. Layo pa yung Todos Los Santos para bumisita sa mga geo-strategic position as coastal states that border the busiest international trade routes and critical sea lines of communication in the Indo-Pacific region, our shared interest.
The Philippines. Filipinos and Indians have had mutually beneficial interactions since pre-colonial times. Throughout our history, Philippine culture has been deeply enriched by our exchanges with the Indian civilization, which have long influenced our language, our literature.
Nagpapagang mga balita at pagtalakay sa mga isyu ng lipunan. Bulsa! Opinyon, banat at paglalantad sa katotohanan. Bulsa! What you see is what you get. You decide.
Kabayan si Dante Maravillas, Bicolano, vlogger, broadcast journalist from Albay. Joke time muna tayo. Padala ni Edgar Cueto. May pasahero mga kababayan, sumakay sa jeep. Yung jeep po, napakakaskasero yung driver. Sabi ng pasahero, manong driver, nakakatakot kayong magbaneho? Napakabilis, parang inaabol kayo ng demonyo. Sabi ng driver, kaya nga po, para hindi tayo maabutan ng demonyo, delikado yun. Kaya naman pala, inaabol talaga po ng demonyo para hindi maabutan po. Dapat mabilis na mabilis. Anyway, joke man lang po. Matic na, Edgar Cueto, kasali ka na rin sa matic na pala, 200 pesos. Padala mo yung GCash number mo. Ito, ilagay ko na din yung pangalan mo dito sa sa box. Para yung monthly draw natin, bobonot din tayo ngayon. 5,000. Kasali ka na rin sa draw natin. Kung mabonot ko pa yung pangalan mo ngayon, di 5,200. I-raffle natin mga kababayan. Marami na. Yan, ipakita ko sa inyo. Pagbonot. Sa ilalim tayo kukuha mga kababayan. Para, ayun. O, ito siya. Basahin natin yung pangalan. Dennis Rodman. Yan o. Yan o. 5,000 po. Winner natin ngayon, Dennis Rodman. I-send ko na lang sa iyo yung may number ka naman dito sa akin. Yung 5,000 pesos na cash. Ayos po. O ngayon, yung mga hindi nabonot, may next month, sa katapusan uli, may draw pa rin tayo for 5,000. Ang grand prize naman natin po, sa December, kasali pa rin kayo. Yung mga hindi pa nabonot, 10,000 pesos yung cash prize. O yung mga interest ninyo po, mag-message na lang po kayo sa aking Facebook account, Dante Maravillas, tapos Dante Maravillas Vlog. Ganun lang po, mga maiksi lang, pero dapat nakakatawa, hindi bastos, hindi nakakadiri. Okay po? O, dito muna tayo uli sa ating topic. So, busy yung ating Pangulo. Matapos libutin yung mga nasalanta ng mga pagbaha, ito siya mga kababayan. Another official visit. Marcos flies to India for 5-day state visit po. Ang iniwan niyang caretaker po, 3 uli, si Bersamin, si Estrella, si Angara, DepEd Secretary. So busy yung ating Pangulo sa pagtrabaho. Si Sara, pag-uwi mga kababayan galing sa paglilibot sa iba-ibang bansa, mula sa Dahig, diretso sa South Korea. Ngayon, bumalik na siya. Ang binisita po, imbis yung mga nasalanta, yung puntod ng pamilya niya. Sablay na naman, mga kababayan. Layo pa yung Todos Los Santos para bumisita sa mga Ewan ko kung sino yung mga advisors nito ni Sara. Lahat ng lakad niya sablay. Lahat ng mga payag niya sablay. May sariling mundo talaga po. Yan o si Sara Duterte. VP Sara visits family graves in Cebu. Vice President Sara Duterte paid a solemn visit to the old Danau City Cemetery where she offered prayers and lit candles at the graves of her relatives. During her last visit to Cebu, she sought the help of her fellow Cebuanos in locating the burial site of Facundo Duterte, grandfather of former President Rodrigo Duterte. The visit reflects her deep connection to her roots and her continuing search for his family's history. Ano man ang pakinabang ng ating mga mamamayang Filipino sa mga pinagagawa ni Sara? Lahat pang personal po. Tungkol sa tatay niya. Ngayon naman tungkol sa mga kamag-anak niya. Loging-logi sa pasweldo mga kababayan. Kay Sara Duterte na gusto pang tumakbo na Pangulo. Tapos may mga kakampi pa sa Senado. Ayaw ma-impeach si Sara. Yan ang problema dito mga kababayan. At mamaya siguro magpa-file na ng motion for reconsideration yung Congress sa pag-declare na ang constitutional sa articles of impeachment po laban kay Sara. But anyway, dito muna tayo sa may pakinabang tayo mga kababayan. Itong pagbisita ng ating Pangulo sa India. State visit. Kasi importante ito sa ating trade relationship and security. Sa India tayo bumili ng missiles po. Ay basahin ko muna pala yung mga reactions sa mga tao. Mga netizens sa pagbisita sa graveyard ng kanyang mga relatives. Itong si Sara. Sabi dito, report ito ng Billionaire News kasi. Billionaire News Channel. Sabi ni Charles Gabriel Antonio, ganyan lang trabaho niya. Pa-picture-picture at pumuna ng kaaway sa politika tapos iiyak sa kalye. Sabi ni Dina Arevalo Nocon, ano naman? Sabi ni Roderick Ople, wala na bang mas importante na balita? Sabi ni Peds Espinida, laking tulong yan sa bayan. Sabi ni RB Lozano, part of the script. Sabi ni Dominic Jr., papansin, maarte. Sabi ni G. Bergie, pakitang mabait ko no yun pala ay jablo. Sabi ni Paul Anticristo Tabanag, simple lang si BP, parang may pang-amasag youth. Sabi ni Emerita Santos, ganyan nga, umingi ka ng saklolo sa mga souls ng relatives mo. Sabi ni Richter Agustin Ramos, kahit ba naman pagpunta sa sementeryo, may ganyan. Sabi ni Serena Monson Medina, bagong pakulo. Sabi ni Ilan Balon, yihe, nagtarabaho na talaga. Sabi ni Angelique Grialdo, ano ngayon connection sa economy ng Pinas? Sabi ni Shirley Upchurch, pati mga patay, pinapakialaman at may time siya. Pero kapag may mga sakuna, nasa abroad siya. Hindi nagustuhan mga kababayan ng mga netizens yung mga pakulo ni Sara. Sabi ko sa inyo, wala man pakinabang yung ating bansa sa mga pinagagawa ni Sara. Kadarating lang abroad, imbes na magtrabaho, lahat pang personal yung inaasikaso. Di ba? O ngayon, dito na tayo. Halikan natin yung pagbisita ng ating Pangulo, state visit sa India. Lumarga pa lang around 10:44 AM kanina. Sabi ng ating Pangulo sa kanyang pre-departure statement, kailangan na mapag-usapan yung maritime ties between the Philippines and India, emphasizing their shared strategic interest and value. Sabi niya, our geostrategic position as coastal states that border the busiest international trade routes and critical sea lines of communication in the Indo-Pacific region, our shared interest in protecting the rights and welfare of our international seafarers, our steadfastness in upholding international maritime law, including UNCLOS, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, and our unwavering commitment to regional peace in cooperation serve as credible foundations of our active and growing maritime cooperation. At parte rito din yung pag-usapan in many areas including defense, trade, investment, health, pharmaceuticals, connectivity, agriculture, tourism, and more. Lalo na po sa pharmaceuticals, para makakuha po tayo, mga kababayan, karoon tayo rito ng mura na gamot. So ito yung naging speech, departure speech ng ating Pangulo. Pakinggan natin.
The members of the cabinet, both of those who are staying and those who are accompanying us. Malaki-laki ang delegation natin ng mga cabinet secretary ngayon. First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos, Pasay City Representative Antonino Calixto, Pasay City Mayor Imelda Calixto Rubiano, Armed Forces of the Philippines Chief of Staff General Romeo Balnor, and the other major service commanders, PNP Chief Nick Torre, Ronnie Hill Gaban, who is also accompanying us today, fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is with high expectations and much anticipation that I leave for New Delhi upon the very gracious invitation of PM Narendra Modi. India has been a long valued friend of the Philippines. Filipinos and Indians have had mutually beneficial interactions since pre-colonial times. Throughout our history, Philippine culture has been deeply enriched by our exchanges with the Indian civilization, which have long influenced our language, our literature, customs, and even our folklore. For instance, the term Maharlika, which in ancient Tagalog society was referred to as a class of free men who were obligated to serve the Datu in battle, is actually derived from Sanskrit, one of the ancient languages of the Indian subcontinent. These early contacts between Filipinos and Indians, which were sustained and amplified by the communities, the commonalities in our values, in our cultures, have translated into a very long-standing, strong friendship between our countries and our people. This visit to India will cap a year-long commemoration of the 75th anniversary of the establishment of our diplomatic relations. Our bilateral relations have seen a measured and stable development that is both comprehensive in scope and multifaceted in nature. Our cooperation is manifested through our diplomatic engagements, strong societal and cultural bonds, robust commercial ties, and increasing institutional linkages and exchanges across different sectors, both in the public sector and in the private sector. With the Philippines being the oldest constitutional democracy in Asia, and being that India is our continent's largest democracy, our two countries share several core interests, such as our democratic ideals, our respect for basic freedoms, and the preservation of a rules-based order in the international arena. Our geostrategic position as coastal states that border the busiest international trade routes and critical sea lanes of communications in the Indo-Pacific region, our shared interest in protecting the rights and welfare of our international seafarers, our steadfastness in upholding international maritime law, including the UNCLOS, and our unwavering commitment to regional peace and cooperation serve as a credible foundation of our active and growing maritime cooperation. I traveled to India knowing that our commonalities will lead us to a deeper, broader, more meaningful bilateral cooperation, both in the immediate future and up to our longer-term horizons, that will ultimately serve the peace, the stability, and prosperity for our two nations and the wider Indo-Pacific region. There is much potential for cooperation with India that will mutually benefit our peoples. We intend to explore these by charting a plan of cooperation across a broad spectrum of shared interests, from defense to trade, investment, health, pharmaceuticals, connectivity, agriculture, and many other areas. In this visit, we have already announced our grant of visa-free privileges for Indian travelers, which we expect will boost our tourism-related industries and further bring mutual understanding and mutual benefits. I have with me several cabinet secretaries who will make certain that the vision of a close strategic relationship with India will turn into a reality as soon as possible, as we make our commitments at the highest levels of government and of business. There are already Indian multinational companies that are operating in the Philippines in IT, BPM, pharmaceuticals, telecommunication industries, and many, many more other sectors. I will personally lead a business delegation to New Delhi and Bengaluru to meet with the captains of their industries, especially in the IT sector, to explore potential investment opportunities for both sides. I want this visit to bring concrete benefits to the people, such as more affordable medicine and greater connectivity and food security. It is incumbent upon us now more than ever to maximize the opportunities in trade and investment with the world's fourth largest economy. I look forward to a productive visit and much closer Philippines-India relations. Thank you. Maraming salamat at magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
Firmax Firming and Lifting Cream, pinapahid po sa mga pulses in affected area. Mainam po sa paninigas ng mga kaso-kasuan. Ito naman po, Automax Radiant Serum. Sa mukha naman yung application, anti-aging po siya. You will look 10 years younger than your age. Sa mga cancer patients naman po, baka lang gusto ninyo itong itry. Naing siya red mix fruit drink. Hindi mo po siya gamot, food supplement siya. Kaya lang, gawa siya mga kababayan sa goji berry. Yung goji berry may anti-cancer properties. O ngayon, yung mga inquiries ninyo, dumiritso na lang kayo sa aming messenger sa Facebook para masagot namin agad. Ayos pa? Ayos na ayosan niya, Mr. Maravilla. But anyway, ito po pala yung aming bagong product na binibenta online. I am worldwide amazing pure organic barley powdered drink mix from Australia. Negosyo to ng aking anak na architect entrepreneur Riz Maravillas. Ayan po. Kontakin na lang po ninyo siya, Riz Maravillas on Facebook. Ang mga health benefits niya, boost immunity, improves digestion, enhance energy levels, packed with antioxidants, prevent cancer. Sa mga nagana po ng malinis and spacious fitness gym, pumunta lang po kayo sa aming Colossal Fitness Gym. May Grab car rental din po kami. Ito naman po yung bago naming product na binibenta online. Eye Glow Serum, whitening po siya. Tingnan ninyo yung epekto sa aking anak na architect before and now. Yung mga inquiries po ninyo, dumiretso na lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook account, Riz Maravillas.